Hi everyone. Oh, they won't be as shy later. So I'm going up Snowdon by, can't pronounce it right, the Rude Do Path. Coming down the Snowdon Ranger Path. And it's good to have accomplices because I've got a car at the finishing point and the starting point.
Look, it's so floaty.
Hello Sean.
Doing that all day, aren't you?
Yeah. Are we okay, ladies?
The amount of grief Jay got me to swim at me to get me to come. Can you imagine how worse it was after I said yes? No.
Hey, you filming us now?
That's Deborah the zebra at the back, smiling.
Completely fucked.
Pound and the swears you are that.
Absolutely ruined.
Just that you're ruined.
No, it's,
I said Glastonbury can't have been any worse than this.
Yeah!
Three, 1, 2, 3, yay!
And we haven't started and we're celebrating.
seriously, we haven't started.
Let's go there,
Standing
along
see the
and
winding
How are we finding it all, guys?
Good. Loving it.
Loving it?
The worst thing I've ever done.
I thought supporting Everton was a bad choice as well, wasn't it? Hey, if we keep resting, it will be Hello Darkness, my old friend.
That wasn't my hand. Steep bit. Little sit. Steep go. Steep go.
It's feel like Everton's season, that, isn't it? The higher they get, they've got to rest.
Never ended, is it? Nice, is it? Well done. Well done, guys. Great effort. Superb. Let's make our way down now.
Not a good mood, are you?
No, it's alright. It's not too bad.
Smile, Debbie. And Sean's going to get a harness, he's going to go climbing.
That one, I like that. Yes, that's good, that. I'm not so keen now.
Lily the pink, the pink, the pink. We'll drink the drink, the drink. Julie's up there, that's why I'm singing Lily the Pink. I can just see a luminous pink.
Stupid idea of not live fish. See how far that went. Roughly, Jay.
Halfway.
Happy days.
Like before, when I was like on there, I was thinking, oh my god, I can't look either side. That's why I've got sunglasses on as well.
Like the suit catalogue on that, it's like, hey, I'm sure.
Proud of yourself later.
You should have like little hot handles or something you can hold on to.
It's on mountains, Debbie. So again,
That
go up this bit here and stay by the wall.
Right.
I'll stay on the outside. I give you the summit plateau of Snowdon. Made it to Snowdon's Cafe. This is not what the mountains are about.
Okay. Yeah.
50 mountains in total.
Yeah.
Let's go with the worst one.
You are crazy.
What?
Doing more than just this.
So you get checked off Snowdon. Smile everyone. You look a happy bunch.
Little bit more.
Fire! The Snowdon Ranger Path.
Find a rock that's nice and chair shaped.
He'll tend to look now.
And what are you doing, son? And James here has gone for a shit.
There's no farming, there's no like job sale, there's nothing like that. So stick to the path.
What? Yay, they all turn round at the same time, hey!